Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Appalachian Home Co., which used to be the Appalachian Home. Today we are going to do a neat project using these tumblers and some color changing vinyl from TeckWrap Craft Vinyl. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Here are all the beautiful colors of vinyl that I got from TeckWrap. So I'm so excited to use all of these. I'm going to show you everything I got. They sent this little package with some tools in it. This is a weeding pen. It's actually glitter, and it has a little weeding tip on that, so I really love that. There's also some more weeding tools and a pair of tweezers, and they also sent a squeegee and a little reusable bag. They also sent an adhesive mat, so this is standard tack, just like the Cricut mat. So this is TeckWrap's brand. I can't wait to use this. So here's all the colors of vinyl. These are all so pretty. These are a matte permanent vinyl. These are in pastel colors. This one is piggy pink. This one is apricot. This one is coconut white. This one is sweet pink. This one is in salmon pink. Livable green. This is a lavender, and this is, I believe, baby blue. Today for the vinyl wraps for the tumblers, we're going to be using these three colors. This first one is called Cold Clear to Red, and this is a color changing vinyl. This actually goes on clear, and then when it's exposed to cold temperatures, it will turn bright red. This one is the same, except this one turns from clear to green. So I'm going to do a strawberry pattern on the tumblers that we have. I'm also using another color changing vinyl. This actually changes from pink to purple when you expose it to cold temperatures. I'm going to be using a beach theme SVG to go on my other tumbler for this. So I'm actually using two different tumblers. I got both of these from Amazon a while back. I would have used two clear ones of these without the logo, but this is the only other clear one that I had. So I'm gonna use it, but you don't have to use a Starbucks one if you don't drink Starbucks or if you don't like Starbucks. These have some glitter in them, so they're really pretty. I got several different colors of these. These are both 24 ounce. So I'm gonna use the strawberry pattern on this one, and we'll be doing the color changing pink to purple beach theme on this one. So I'm in Cricut Design Space, and here are the designs that I'm going to be using. This strawberry pattern that I'm going to be using on the Starbucks tumbler, I actually purchased it from Etsy, so I will leave a link for it down in the description. All I did was I went to upload, selected the file, drug it onto my screen, and then uploaded it to my canvas, and it came in the correct size, so I didn't have to do any changes to that. So the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ungroup this, and I'm going to select all of the green parts here. They're already grouped together, but I'm going to go ahead and attach them to the mat because I'm going to cut these out exactly as they are. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the red strawberries. I'm going to attach those to the mat as well. So when I go to make it, and I'm using the Maker 3 today, so I'm going to use this vinyl on mat. So now all the strawberries are in place exactly as you'll be placing them on your cup, and all of the green parts are in place as well. For my other design, I actually have this tropical pattern monogram. So I purchased this from Etsy as well, but when I purchased it, it was actually not designed for a tumbler. You can see this one has a straight pattern on the bottom. So I wanted to warp that to fit around the bottom of my tumbler, and I'll quickly show you how I did that. I did not do it in Cricut Design Space, I did it in Silhouette Studio. So I actually have Silhouette Business Edition, Silhouette Studio, and the only reason I used it is for this warp feature. I just want to warp the bottom part, and I'm going to select both of those palm trees and the sand. So you just want to go to the warp panel, which is down here at this little arrow button. If you push that and select this warp icon, you can choose a regular warp, a text warp, or a cylindrical warp. I'm going to choose the cup. Okay, so now I'm going to enter the actual dimensions of the cup that I'm going to be placing this on. So I took these measurements, and the top was 3.875. The bottom was 2.3 375, and the height was 6.25. So now you see that has warped the bottom of this image and the palm trees to actually fit on the shape of a tumbler. And in Silhouette Studio Business Edition, you can actually save your design as an SVG to upload to other programs. Then I uploaded that back into Cricut, as you see here. After I uploaded the image back into Design Space, I resized it to kind of fit the same shape as the strawberry pattern to make sure that it would fit on the tumbler. Also added my name and a monogram that is in the circle of this sunshine. The monogram is called Circle Monogram Font, and I got it from defont.com for free. So now we are ready to cut all of these out. TeckWrap vinyl is much thicker than other kinds of vinyl, so I used a completely different material setting. I'm using fusible fabric, and I know that sounds weird, but this matched almost perfectly the settings that are recommended to cut out the TeckWrap Craft Vinyl. I'm going to place all the vinyl on the mat. I'm using the standard grit mat that TeckWrap sent with this vinyl. I'm just going to cut some sheets to fit. One thing you need to remember with TeckWrap brand is it does have a clear covering that needs to come off before you cut. So I went through and just cut out every different color of vinyl using the fusible fabric setting on each type of vinyl, and now I'm ready to weed. I'm just going to take the little weeding pin that TeckWrap sent, and I'm going to weed this vinyl. So now I have everything weeded, and this vinyl weeded very well. Only a couple tiny parts of that sunshine came up, and I had to put those back. But the rest of it was awesome to weed. So now I'm just using my regular transfer tape. I'm cutting off part of my name because it's going to go actually on the back of the tumbler, and the palm trees are going to go on the front. So now we're just going to have fun and put all of these together. I got this metal wire stand at the Dollar Tree for $1. I use these normally to separate all of my vinyl, but I'm just using it to hold my tumbler while I'm placing on my decal. I do have a regular tumbler holder, but I couldn't find it at the time I was filming this video, so I'm just going to use this to place the tumbler just to hold it into place. I'm going to go by the bottom on this first one. I'm just going to make sure that the bottom curve matches the curve of the tumbler. There's a little lip on the bottom of this tumbler, and that is the bottom point of my decal. I'm going to start in the center. Sometimes you may want to cut around certain areas of your decal to get it to fit just right, and I'm just starting at the center and I'm working my way outward. Now for the strawberry pattern, I am going to be layering this decal. As you can see here, I've created a little circle to go in the middle where the Starbucks logo goes. I'll give you the dimensions down in the description. But I wanted a white covering with my initials to go in the middle at first. So I just created that and placed that right on my strawberry pattern. And I'm going to go ahead and layer on those green tops before I actually place the decal onto my tumbler. I'm just going to squeegee down those tops after I get them lined up. You can use parchment paper if it helps you lining up areas like this. And now my transfer tape's already applied. It's ready to put on the tumbler. Now for the strawberry pattern, I am going to cut a slit in the middle of my vinyl backing on the decal, and this is going to allow me to line up the center and then remove the edges and take this very slow because there is a center cutout. And you'll see I added a monogram cover to the center of my tumbler to cover up the Starbucks symbol, but you don't have to do this. I just created a circle to fit around that and my initials in that same monogram font, but you can totally leave this out. But after I line up the center, I remove the backing on the edges and then just slowly go around and rub everything down along the edges. And you just want to make sure that the top and the bottom are aligned as you go around your tumbler. So now the big reveal, we're going to see how these colors change when I add some ice and cold water. This is my favorite part, and these tumblers turned out so awesome. We all love these. Everyone in my family drinks out of these cups. I'm definitely going to have to make some more because these are so fun. My little girl is completely obsessed with these, and I literally drink water every day now because these are easy to make and these are so fun. I'm going to go ahead and add the ice and water, and you can see how these change color. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. This was so fun. This is a fun idea for summer, the weather turning warmer. I can't wait to use the rest of these colors from TeckWrap Vinyl. Don't forget to check out all of their vinyl colors. I'll leave a link down below for them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it inspired you to create your own projects. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider subscribing and clicking the bell to receive any notification when I upload new videos. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.